Hello guys, welcome back to GAYATRI'S Art Lab. So today we are going to do scenery painting. Let's start with it. So I have done red color first, and obviously we are doing sunrise scenery painting. So I have taken the flat brush right now, and I'm going to take orange color for this painting. Now I'm going to just paint it all over the half page. Then once I have done with it, then I'm going to blend the colors red and orange. Just you can see in the picture, or you can see in the video, sorry. Yeah, so this is we have done with. Now I'm going to take an yellow color. So just quickly we are going to do at the end yellow color, so that our picture or our painting is going to look has got an vibrant color. Okay, so we have done with it. So you can just see at the corners as well, we have to do it correctly, and after that we have to wait for a second, because on the painting there is so much of water, right? Now we will take a black color. Now we are going to take black color, and now we are going to make a house or something like a house. So I'm just getting a shading, an outline shade of the house. Let's see. Now I'm going to make a roof, and here I'm going to make 2-floor house. So you can see how pretty it is looking. Look, so pretty. So I have done with it. Now we will just neatly do the colors so that it will look good. So as you can see, it is looking great. So properly we will finish it. Now we are going to make a bushes at the end of the pictures, at the corner of the picture, sorry. And first we are going to use brushes as well, and after that we are going to use sponge as well. With the help of sponge, we will be easily do the bushes painting. So I have taken a sponge. Now let's make it easy. So you can see how pretty it is looking. So now we are going to make some gallery type, and it is going to look awesome. Let's see. So here is done. Now we are going to remove the sellotape.
Now going to take the black paint again.